Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in Canva with an active account. Sign in if needed. Once logged in, click your profile icon at top right, then choose Settings from the menu. You do this because theme controls live in Appearance, so open that panel next. Make sure to distinguish app versions. Desktop, web, and mobile app place Appearance slightly differently. If you're on mobile, open the side menu and tap Settings. Now you're ready to change the visual mode. Proceed to toggle the dark theme. Now in Appearance, choose Dark to force dark mode immediately, or pick System Default to follow your device's preference. You do this because dark reduces eye strain and highlights colors differently. For design accuracy, check Contrast. Once chosen, Canva applies the theme across the editor, menus, and previews. Wait a few seconds for the UI to refresh. If you use browser extensions or custom CSS, disable them first so they don't override settings. Make sure to test a design to confirm text and assets remain legible. Finish by saving changes and refreshing Canva. On mobile, close and reopen the app so themes fully load. Once done, inspect exported PNGs or PDFs because dark UI doesn't change exported backgrounds unless you edit them, so adjust canvas colors if needed. If the theme doesn't stick, clear your browser cache, sign out and back in, or disable conflicting browser extensions that alter page styles. If problems persist, switch to System Default.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.